Hey, excuse me. You two aren't dating by any chance, are you?
Well, I got a lot of body parts. Yeah.
Hell yeah.
This is Joe. Welcome to the 10th episode of the Social Animal Subscriber Challenge. I don't know if you've noticed, but no one talks to each other anymore. Everyone's hiding behind their phones, and we're going to change that. On the Subscriber Challenge, I meet up with a subscriber to help them and film them interact with people, to showcase different personalities and experience. My goal is to show you that talking to people is a universal challenge, but that anyone can do it. So I hope you find the video inspiring. Enjoy.
I'm Joe, I'm 28, I live in Austin, and there's been a period of time when I was at university where I was very gregarious and it was easy for me to talk to everybody. But since then I've slowly gotten more closed off and more apprehensive, and I'd like to get back to the place where I was. I'm nervous, but I'm excited too.
Okay, so let's start.
Hey, excuse me.
Yes?
My name's Joe. I thought you were pretty cute, so I wanted to come over and say hello.
Hi, nice to meet you.
Are you studying something?
Yeah, anatomy.
Oh, cool shit. That's all the fucking
Bone.
the bones, but also the colored pencils.
Oh,
It's
yeah.
a lot of colored pencils.
Well, I got a lot of body parts.
That's fair enough. That's fair enough. Like about 216 bones, right?
206.
Okay, that was close.
Close. About
I didn't
10
go to biology or whatever.
Yeah, no worries.
Yeah. Sorry, was I bothering you like on the fucking...
Oh, I'm FaceTiming my best friend. You want to
Aw,
meet her?
what's up? What's up? I'm Joe. What's up, best friend?
This is Steph.
We're having a little, she's taking me out the
Aw. Where you live? Are you in like one of those places that's more locked down? I probably should ask, do you have a boyfriend?
Yeah, kind of. It's complicated.
It's complicated. Okay, so that means that you're not open to meeting up, or it's okay if you're not 100%.
Yeah, no, I don't think I can swing that in this phase of my life.
Don't worry about it. Well,
But
I hope
think
that
your compliment was super sweet, and I'm incredibly appreciative. You have no idea.
for sure. I hope that I made your day.
You did, and you did it so politely. I have to appreciate that.
Thanks. You have a great one.
Thanks. Have a good one.
Yeah, you too. I'm like, what are you doing? She's like, oh, I'm just studying anatomy. I'm like, oh, that's cool. And like, are you an artist? Because there's like a ton of...
I feel like there's so many jokes that could have come up with.
There could, well, it was great. Like I totally missed an opportunity because she was like, I have a lot of body parts.
Oh,
like she
she
said
said that?
and so I could have easily been like,
Oh my God.
I could have 100% like gone somewhere with that. I wish I did.
Okay, let's keep going.
Let's do it. Hey, excuse me. I'm sorry. I was walking with my friend and I wanted to say hi because you're really cute.
Oh, thank you. That's very
Yeah,
sweet.
I'm Joe, by the way. Nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you too.
Is that Tivana?
No, it's not. It's. I actually don't know the place. I was just driving by and
Okay.
decided to get a tea.
Thought you're kind of cute. Are you like just walking around and doing stuff or what?
Yeah, I am walking around, just like taking a day to like clear my mind and like
Nice.
reset on myself.
You visiting or you
Yeah,
live here
I
in
live
Austin?
here.
You don't live here. You are from Kansas.
No, I've never been.
Me neither. You are from... Actually, that's not true. I drove through it once. You're from Michigan.
No, I live in Dallas. It's
Okay.
like not that far.
No, it's not far at all. That's-
But I should get going. It's
No
very
problem.
nice to meet you. And
Yeah, you too.
Very sweet of you. Thank you.
Yeah, no problem. If you want to hang out sometime, maybe next time you're in Austin.
Maybe next time we run into each other.
Okay,
No,
have a good one.
thank you.
Hey, excuse me. Excuse me. I was walking with my friend and I wanted to say hi because you're super cute.
Hi, thank you.
I'm Joe.
So cute.
Yeah, what's your name? That's a really fucking cool name.
Thanks.
I don't like tea though. It tastes like perfume.
Don't like it either.
Yeah.
Don't like any of the floral stuff.
We have that in common.
Are you a photographer?
Yes, I am a photographer. I'm out here seeing if I can get some shots maybe, but really just walking with my friend.
It's a bad hour, I think.
For what? For photography?
golden
Yeah, it's like, whoop. You just like hanging out or what?
Well, I was in a coffee shop just walking over to a friend's house.
Nice. So you live in Austin then?
Mm-hmm.
That's cool as fuck.
Just moved from LA.
Oh shit.
Yeah.
I used to live in Northern California.
Nice. Where?
Yeah. You know Davis? I would love to grab some bubble tea with you sometime.
Some
You're
regular
s-
tea?
Bubble tea.
Bubble tea, what's that?
I don't know what bubble tea is.
Is that boba?
Yeah, same thing.
Oh.
I'd fucking love that.
Okay, yeah.
Hell yeah.
You can shoot me too. I need some shots for my bikini line.
Oh, I thought you meant like like with a rifle or something. Yeah, I'm down. I'm guessing 512, right?
714.
714.
Yeah. Yeah,
Cool
get back
shit.
to me.
Awesome. So we'll do 8 tomorrow, and I'll send you like a place.
Okay.
Sounds good.
All right.
Well, thanks for chatting with me.
Yeah, of course.
You have a great time at your friends.
Like making new friends in the city.
Oh yeah.
Bye.
Bye.
So,
That's my name. My name is Sel. She was super cute. It's nice to have these interactions because sometimes I don't think this is just me. Sometimes I get into this mindset where I feel like the hotter a girl is, like the meaner she's going to be to me. And to an extent, like the hotter a girl is, like she has to like be on edge because more guys are going to approach her. So like in a way, you know, maybe that's true, but at the same time, it's like you can't really assume that about anyone, and you can't just assume that somebody who's like who you desire more is like maybe like above your league and not worth your time, you know.
but I also feel that a lot of the people's reaction to you have to do with like the sort of like energy you have.
Mm-hmm.
You may think that, you know, hot girls are mean, but in fact, it's not because hot girls are mean. It's because you're anxious when you talk to hot girls, and so they're mean. But if you were anxious when you talk to ugly girls, they would also be mean. You know?
Yes, 100%. Yeah, I like that. It's really easy for me to approach a girl who's on their own, and that wasn't instant. I did work on that earlier, like years ago, but it's still nervous for me to talk to a girl who's with her friends, or especially a girl who's with a dude. Like I obviously have to make sure they're not dating first, but if a girl's not alone, I get pretty nervous.
Okay, so maybe we'll see this as a challenge for today.
A few moments later.
Sorry, I don't want to interrupt, but I wanted to say you're super cute.
Oh, thank you.
Yeah. What's your name? I'm Joe. And you are?
Where am I?
It's all good. I fucking love Cosmic. It's the fucking best.
So good, right?
Oh my god. I had Salty Dog was the first one I had, which is the fucking best, and then Grateful Red's really really good.
Oh, I haven't had that one.
That one's really good. There's one other, I think it's called Black Magic. That's really good.
Magic.
Yeah.
The green one is my favorite one. The ruby green or something.
See, I've seen that one. I haven't tried it yet. I haven't tried it.
Good.
Probably should. But I would love to get some kombucha with you sometime.
Oh,
Just walk around or something.
I mean, we're both engaged.
Nice.
Yeah.
No problem. Well, you have a great afternoon.
Thank you. You do the same.
I was a little nervous of what her friend would think. I was nervous. I was a couple times in that interaction. I was expecting that they would give some kind of negative reaction, but they never did. They were like really nice.
What is a negative reaction? Like giggling? Or?
Nah, giggling would be fine. It would be like, I don't like cold, like be mean and cold. Be like, no, like we're just eating here, like don't bother us or something. You know? That's what I was kind of expecting, but it didn't happen.
I mean, I really think that those reactions are like really rare.
Yeah.
And they have more to do with the person giving the reaction than.
Yeah.
Check out this interaction that Joe had with a group of 4 girls. The beginning of the video is a bit shaky, so you can enjoy those birds doing the mating dance. It's basically the same.
How's it going? You guys just out in the town in the sun and shit?
Yes.
And this is super random, but I wanted to say your friend's super cute. Has anyone told you that today?
Oh, me?
Yeah.
Oh, thank you. No.
Yeah. Well, all of you are super cute, but yeah.
I was like, oh, that's sweet. Who's he?
Who's he talking to? Oh my goodness. You don't happen to be single by any chance, do you?
No.
Wait. So I asked it in a really weird way. Does that mean you do or don't have a boyfriend?
No, I don't have a boyfriend.
Oh, that's awesome as shit. Do you like bubble tea?
I've never had it, actually.
You've never had it? Dang, are you visiting or are you like living here?
I live here.
That's cool as fuck. Well, we should get some bubble tea.
Bubble tea?
Yeah. Are you free Tuesday?
What time?
8 p.m.
8 p.m.?
8 p.m.
School night.
Okay.
I usually stay in. Yeah.
Awesome. Well, let me take your number.
Okay.
There's a really good bubble tea place, and I have a feeling you're gonna love it.
Okay.
I imagine 512, yeah?
No, 281.
How's 8:30?
Okay,
Is it okay? Cool. And then I'll send you a place, like a link to the place later today. You have a good day.
Got it. You too. Nice
Yeah.
meeting you.
So,
Yeah.
let's do the big group. Four girls.
I was nervous.
How did that feel?
I felt nervous, but I felt like it was very silly because it was like nervous, but also great because I didn't know what to say, and then I just said the first thing that came to mind, and it turned out really well. And it reminds me that nobody gives a shit that I'm nervous.
Yeah, you don't need to know what to say. You just need to be present.
Yeah, it's good memories to have to be like, yo, like in my mind, especially with the group, because I'm nervous with groups, and because they were also walking away from me. It was like a really bad situation because they were walking away from me. I was coming up behind them, and I was like thinking like, oh, they're gonna like say go the hell away or something. But I just went with it anyway, and it turned out well.
Yeah, I think that, the worse the situations seem, the more you should go for it, because basically it's an opportunity to create a new reference point.
Yeah.
And right now, next time you see a group and they're walking away, you'll have a reference point in your mind where it happened,
Yeah.
And so it's good. And so by rewriting the past experiences, then you rewrite your attitudes toward it, and then the outcomes. So.
There's also video proof that it happened.
Yeah,
watch it. I can go on YouTube and watch it.
If your friends are like, yeah, you're full of shit, you can say, yeah, look at this.
I'm just gonna stretch with you for 2 seconds. Do you do yoga a lot?
Yeah.
Oh, that's cool. I can tell you're like out in the sun, just like, yoga time. Have a good day. Yeah, she was about 20 years older than I thought she was.
Oh, okay.
So I just like had a fun conversation and left.
Okay, cool.
Hey, how's it going, folks? You look really comfortable. You two aren't dating by any chance, are you?
Sorry?
You're super cute. I was coming over to say hi. Are you two together? I don't want to like... Oh, cool shit.
No.
And you're her mom? Uh-huh. Oh, that's cool. I'm Joe, by the way.
Oh, hi.
What's your name? Cool. Bam! Bam. I have not had that yogurt before. Although I've seen it in the stores a fuck ton.
Oh.
It looks good.
Are you
like
here alone?
No, I'm with my friend. We're just walking around.
Oh, okay.
Yeah. This looks like a really fucking good picnic area.
It's my first time.
It's your first time here?
Yeah.
Where are you visiting from? When are you heading out?
We don't know. We're just gonna relax. We don't know what we're doing later.
You mean like it's just for the day, so you're...
Yeah, I mean, for right now, yes. Later, I have no idea.
Okay.
Just going with it.
That's cool as shit.
Do what?
Yeah. Unfortunately, I got the rest of the day kind of set for me. Otherwise, I'd invite you somewhere.
Oh, no, don't worry.
But I hope you have a good drive back.
Oh, thank you.
Yeah, see you around.
Yeah, see you.
Hey, the recording. Oh, fuck. I stuck on it. Got stuck for a second. It was great. So it was cool because I was super nervous and I just decided to stick in there anyway. It was really awkward. It was like really, really awkward. It was really awkward. And turns out she lives in Laredo, which is kind of near Austin.
Okay.
And I'm busy through the end of the day, and she's leaving tonight, so it wouldn't have worked out. But it was really cool because like she was really apprehensive at first, and she got like a lot more comfortable because I kind of sat down and it's kind of like.
That's what I meant earlier by saying like the bridge of awkwardness. So at first people like they don't know how to react, and then if you stay cool, then they sort of like relax as well. Okay, Joe. So any thoughts about today? What are your thoughts about today?
I pushed my comfort zone a little bit, which was nice. I have not been pushing my comfort zone much in recent months, and actually for the past couple of years. So it felt really good to get back in the game and go to like groups of girls. I was nervous about that. There was a group I went to at the end where there was a dude and two girls, and I was even more nervous about that.
It's not a dude and two girls. It's a dude, a girl, and her mom.
Yeah. You're saying moms aren't girls?
No.
Yeah.
That was good.
Probably like brothers or cousins or something. Yeah, that was really nice. And I also got really comfortable being in situations where I felt nervous and I felt really awkward.
Yeah, and sort of accepting that.
Yeah. Usually I just kind of leave when things feel awkward.
Okay. Is there any insight of today? Is there anything?
The idea of having like somebody tries to lay down a narrative of like, this is why, this is the idea of what's going on, and you don't have to accept that narrative. You can come in from the side and just make a joke or whatever. And the other thing was that it's not always my fault. It's probably not often my fault if things seem awkward, it's probably because they're being reserved.
Yeah.
Not because I'm being awkward.
Yeah, and what as we were talking earlier, it's like, as this is true, remember, like, the tennis analogy is also true, which is like, don't worry about where the other people are sending the ball. Just worry that you're sending the ball where you want to send it. That you're being true to yourself. Do you have anything to say to whoever might be watching the video?
I do. If you're watching this video, trying to figure out how you can get more comfortable talking to girls or anybody in general, a couple points are: be cool with feeling awkward. Be cool with feeling uncomfortable and awkward and sticking in there. Obviously, if she's like, no, go away, fuck you, then, like, okay, you don't have to stay. But, like, if you feel awkward, then that's not a bad situation. It's just be comfortable and express what you want to express, and that's the win you're looking for. Not anything in particular in return, because you don't have control over that.
Cool.
So I joked with Joe that he should go in the water and get some girl's number, and he actually went for it.
That takes care of the obstacle on my hands.
I just need to know if you got her number.
No.
Dang.
Damn, right?
That was a lot of exerted energy.
I'm more fit for the next girl, at least.
Hey, I thought that was awesome.
Dude, I can't believe you just did that.
If you enjoyed the video, give it a like, subscribe to the channel, and let me know your thoughts in the comments. My email is ruben@socialanimal.us. So if you want to chat, if you want some coaching, and especially if you want to take part in the challenge, let me know. Whoever you are, whether you're confident, whether you're shy, you're a man or woman, my goal is to showcase the widest possible spectrum of personalities and experiences. So please don't hesitate to reach out to me. That's it for today. See you next time.